Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. And in this tutorial I'll be creating a very simple portfolio website using HTML and little of CSS. And I want you to know that everything I'm going to be using in this tutorial is what I've taught you people in the last tutorials, in the former tutorials, in the previous tutorials. And that's HTML full course. That's from HTML1 to HTML39. So from there, this will be HTML40, and there I'll be talking about how to create a simple portfolio website within a very short period of time. I'm going to start very quick, I'm going to end very quick. So guys, the first step is creating a folder. So first of all, we have to create a folder, and in the folder, that's where all our website document files will be. So first of all, I'll need to create a folder. So I'm going to name it simple website. Yeah, so I've created a folder. The name of the folder is simple website. So guys, I'm going to open it right now. So guys, right now I've opened my folder, and it is in this folder I'm going to put all my files that I need to create my website. Right now I want to create my index.html file, which is my HTML file that my website is going to be displaying on. So I use code editor, Virtual Studio Code. And if you don't understand all these things, I will advise you to go back to my full HTML tutorial course video on Codecademy. So guys, I'm just going to click on new file, and then I'm going to select a language to get started. Start typing to dismiss, or don't show this again. So guys, I'm gonna type, and then this is not going to show again. So that's that, and I'm gonna save right now. So I'm just gonna pause the video so as to make this as simple as possible. So guys, I want to save my video right now. Sorry, I want to save my file right now. So I'm gonna click on the simple website, and I'm gonna save it as index, and then this will be HTML. So I'll save it. So when we go back to our folder, we're gonna see it right here, index.html. So yeah, so these are HTML simple document that we're gonna be using. These are documents, our file that we're gonna be using to create our simple website, a portfolio. So guys, let me show you the outline of what we're gonna be doing in this tutorial. First of all, we've created a folder, we've created HTML document. So we are going to bring in files right now. So please, can you see bringing in the files? So before bringing in the files right now, I'm going to create a very simple HTML document. So guys, let's go there. So creating a simple HTML document is just having all your normal tags you need to have for your HTML. So I'm going to do that right now. So guys, I just finished pausing the video, but I played it, so I want to tell you that I have to pause the video to quickly write some of the simple HTML documents, and also to zoom the code editor, this to make our video as short as possible. So guys, I'm writing my simple HTML document body. So yeah, I'm gonna input my title tag, and so it is advisable for you to please go to our YouTube channel to watch the full course video for you to understand how these things are working. So guys, right now I'm gonna Ctrl S, and then right now I've created a simple HTML document, and the next thing I want to do is to bring in files. Now I want to bring in files. First of all, I'm going to be bringing in photo files. After that, I'm going to bring in the audio and the video file. And I want you to know that in this tutorial, the portfolio website we're creating will be based on the individual, which is known as Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg is the owner of Facebook and the CEO of Meta platform. So we're going to be creating the portfolio website about him, that talks about him, how to contact him, and some things about him. So first of all, let's bring in our files. So I'm just gonna come here and then Ctrl A and Ctrl C. I'm just gonna do Ctrl C, and then I'm gonna come back here, and then I'll create a file, because right now when I create a file, then when I'm coding, I'm gonna make use of the file part. So I'm gonna name this gallery. Oh guys, sorry. So in this gallery, I'm gonna Ctrl V and put every one of them there. So these are the images I want to use. I'm gonna go back there and create a new file called audio. And then I'm gonna create another one called video. So guys, I'm gonna go back there to bring in my audio and video. So with this, we are going to make use of the 5 part. So you need to watch the 5 part tutorial video to understand what's going on here right now. So we have the video here right now, and the next one on our list is creating. Okay, we've created a simple HTML document, so we want to add the language to our HTML document. So let's go. So we want to add language to our website. I'm going to add a language that is English, United States English. That's United States of America English. So I'm just going to go to my code here right now. I'm going to go to, I think, yeah. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna put lang. Oh god, sorry guys, I just want to put a double quotation mark. So I was just trying to add my double quotation mark to it, but I was looking for it on my keyboard. I don't know what happened, like my keyboard had fault. So sorry guys, I'm gonna put English, United States English. So for me to put it, I'm just gonna put the EN and then US. So for you to understand more about this thing, I think it's better for you to watch our HTML full course. So this way I've added the language to our simple website, and we've not cross-checked it on web browser, but I think by the next step we're going to take is to cross-check it on our browser. So guys, let's check it on our browser. So we want to check it on our browser right now. This is my Chrome browser. You can see nothing is being displayed because all those things we did right now is not what's going to display. It's just some stuff that we need to be to put in our website, make our website fully complete. So guys, we've added our language, and let's look at the next on the list, which is adding FAVICON. So we want to add the FAVICON right now. So for us to add the FAVICON, first of all, you have to know where your FAVICON, the icon one you use as your FAVICON is. So guys, I want to use this image. I think I should use image 1. So I'm gonna be using image 1 as my icon that's gonna be showing at the tab side of my website. And for this to be possible, I know that the name of the image is image 1 and it's a JPEG file. And apart from that one, I have to know the file part because it is inside the folder. So guys, we're gonna make use of the file part, and that's what I'm telling you. It's really important for you to watch the HTML file part on Vicsad Academy YouTube channel. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna make use of the comment. So guys, if you don't know how to make use of the comment, then I advise you to watch the HTML comments on Vicsad Academy YouTube channel, and by God's grace I'll make sure I put the links in the description section below of this video. Okay guys, first of all, I'm gonna write adding FAVICON. So after that, I'm gonna be let's move this to the back, 1 2 3, and then let's move this to the back, 1 2 3. So guys, I'm just gonna and then I'm gonna put in my code for creating a FAVICON. So if you don't know the code, I think it's better for you to watch the HTML FAVICON, but I'm just gonna write it here, but I'm not gonna go deep because of time. So link rel then type href, that's HTML reference. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna put icon, I'm gonna put image here, and my image is JPEG image. So if you don't understand about JPEG, PNG, please I advise you to watch HTML image, our focus, and then you find out the one that's talking about image and favicon and icon stuff, so you can understand. So I'm gonna put JPEG, and then I'm gonna put my HTML reference. For me to put my HTML reference, I have to know the file path, and for that to happen, I'll put my folder, and then normal my file is in this simple website folder, and for me to find my icon or my favicon, I have to open this gallery. So that means I have to go into that gallery and find the image. So that's very easy. I move forward, and then gallery, then I move forward, and then I look for image 1, the JPG. So you can see that Visual Studio Code is also bringing out some predictions for me. That is that one I want. So Ctrl S, and then I'm gonna go back to the website to refresh the page. So when I refresh the page, you're gonna see the picture here right now. Can you see Mark Zuckerberg picture here? Remember that we're creating a portfolio website talking about Mark Zuckerberg. So can you see the picture here right now? So guys, going back to this video, adding a favicon, we've done that, and then let's look at next on our list is creating the CSS file and adding your CSS file. But before I do that, please let us add a title to our web. Let's add a title to our website or to our web page. So we want to add the title to our web page. So first of all, I had to press the enter key to move to the next line, and then I came back to my title tag line. So the name of the website is what I'm gonna give as a title, and the name of this website is Mark Zuckerberg portfolio website. So just Mark Zuckerberg portfolio. So I'm gonna press Ctrl S, and then come back here to refresh the page, and you can see it's a Mark Zuckerberg portfolio. So guys, and that's how I've created my title, and the next one is recreating a CSS file and then linking the CSS file to our HTML file. So all we have to do is to go back to our Visual Studio Code, and then I'm going to click new file, Ctrl S, and I'm going to come back to here. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to name the folder of styling. So I'm gonna click on here, and then I'm gonna save it as CSS. No, let's give it styling. Let's just give it CSS.css. Yeah, let's give CSS.css. So I'm gonna look for CSS here. So I'm gonna save it. So right now we already have a CSS file, and I think I can access it here by me clicking here. So you can see CSS.css. So this is our CSS file. The next one we want to do is to add this CSS file to our HTML file. So guys, we want to add this CSS file to our HTML file. I know this is our CSS file, and this is our HTML file. So our HTML file, want to look for our CSS file, which is in this styling folder. So all we have to do is to go back to our HTML code here, and then we're going to come back here to just copy and paste this, and then I'm going to do some edits to it. So Ctrl V, and then I'm going to put adding CSS file. So yeah, I'm just going to put wait, style sheet, and yeah, I'm gonna put okay, like I'm just thinking text / CSS, and yeah, I'm gonna put the HTML reference. That's where the HTML can get the file. So you can get the file first of all by entering into styling file, styling folder, and then the next one is by me clicking on the css.css, in which you can see. So I've saved right now, and then if you are hearing any background voice, please sorry for that, please. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna refresh the page, sorry, and there's nothing that's gonna take place because we've just linked it we've not done any edit to it, so let's be sure that we've linked it. So body, and then I'm gonna put my, I'm just gonna give it color. So you can see it's working. That means that our CSS file is linked to our HTML file, and our HTML file is linked to our CSS file. So I'm just gonna clear that off, and then that's all, because all we want to do in this part right now is just to add our CSS file. So I just had to test that to be sure that yes, the file is really linked to our HTML file. So let's check out the next on the outline. And the next on the outline is adding your metadata. And adding the metadata is something that is very simple and a little bit long to write. So let's do that quick. So guys, I'm gonna add the metadata. First of all, I have to go to my Visual Studio Code, and I want you to know that the metadata is in the head tag, inside the head element. So guys, under here, okay, let's come under here, and then I'm just gonna copy this, Ctrl C, and I'm gonna come back here to just Ctrl V. So that's indexing. So first of all, it should be metadata for, then it should be metadata for so guys, I just had to pause the video to do some things. So okay, first of all, to be metadata for meta chassis. So I'm just gonna change audio code entirely because it is different here. Meta chassis. So meta chassis is UTF -8. So UTF -8. So Ctrl S. That's for our meta chassis. So let's move to the next one, which should be meta keyword. Meta keyword. Okay, meta keyword. So meta name, we're gonna have name, and then it's gonna be equals to keywords. Oh, then we're gonna have content. Then we're gonna put our keywords. Our keywords are portfolio. Our keywords are website, portfolio, website, so next one I'll put is personal website. So just add as many keywords as you know. Website, Mark Zuckerberg website. So oh, okay, let's add like Mark's website. So I think that's good for our keyword. So I'm just going to come back here and then copy this. So metadata for keywords. So I think that's that. And the next one will be for this. right now I want to put I want to write the metadata for description. So I think I'll just copy this right now. Control C, Control Z, Control C, come down here, then Control V. So I'm just gonna write metadata for description. Is my description spelling correct? Okay guys, let me just check that out. Okay, so I just finished checking the description spelling is correct. So guys, I just gonna put it here again so we can see the syntax. So yeah, I'm just gonna write description. So by God's grace, I'm gonna put links to all our HTML tutorial on description section below. I'm gonna put links to download the Visual Studio Code because it's a free app that you can download through the Visual Studio Code website. It's owned by Microsoft. So guys, yeah, I'm just gonna write something like this: a personal and portfolio website created by Mark Zuckerberg, created by Vicsad Academy, about Mark Zuckerberg. Yeah, so that's what I'm right. Personal and portfolio website created by Vicsad Academy about Mark Zuckerberg. So that's our metadata for description. We are describing our website. Our website is a website that contains personal and portfolio website created by Vicsad Academy about Mark Zuckerberg. So these things I think you have better understanding when you watch HTML metadata created by Vicsad Academy. That's the particular video on our YouTube channel. So please watch the HTML metadata. That's why I've said that for you to watch this video, it will have been good for you to watch the full course before watching this, because this is just creating a simple portfolio website. So guys, let's move to the next one, and the next one is metadata for authorship. I'm gonna click metadata for authorship. So I'm just gonna click my space bar. Just go and watch our HTML, I think, guidelines and tips. So we're talking about indentation there, and when we talk about that, we have to click on our space bar 3 times for us to create an indentation. So that's it. So I'm gonna move to the next line, and then I'm just gonna go back up to copy this. Control C. So yeah, I'm just gonna write author. Oh guys, how my cap lock is on. So author, and then yeah, I'm just gonna write Vicsad Academy because the author of this website, of this single web page, is Vicsad Academy. Vicsad Academy as the authorship owner of that. Yeah, let's just put it that way. Okay, Vicsad Academy. So Control S. So I'm gonna move to the next one, which is I think that should be metadata viewport web viewport metadata. Yeah, copy this, Control V here, and then so if you don't understand why we are seeing green, like I mean all these ones that are green, is because they are HTML comments and they are important in HTML. Even when you watch our HTML comment and HTML guidelines and tips, we talked about it. So guys, please watch out for the HTML comments for you to understand that. So like I've said, I need to watch all our videos for you to understand what everything I'm doing here right now. So yeah, I'm gonna put viewport. and then I'm gonna give this width, device width. So this is something related to responsiveness, and then comma initial scale is equals to 1.0. So the next one we'll talk about is metadata for revised. So okay, I'm just gonna copy this, Ctrl C, come back here, and then 1 2 3 Ctrl V. So clear that. Okay, so I'm just gonna come back here and give it metadata for revised. So it's just like when last did they revise the web page, let's just cross check the web page. So content here will be, so guys, sorry for posting the video, I was trying to fix something out. So okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna put here when last it was revised, and then when last it was revised was on the 26th, on 12th of December 2022. So okay, yeah, I'm gonna put revised, and with this we are through with our metadata. It's something a little bit long, but with this we are through with it. So okay, so we are through with our metadata. The next of the list is adding containers. So it's those containers we are going to be putting some of the things that is going to be displayed on the web page, because everything we've written right now is not going to display on the web page. So let's just take that, Ctrl S, and then I'm going to come back to my Chrome to refresh the page. So it's not showing anything, but when you inspect elements with F12 it's going to do. So guys, let's move on to the next one, that's adding containers. So guys, the next one is we want to add containers, and for us to add containers, okay, first to add containers, first of all you have to know how we want to add our containers. So for you to know the way to add containers, then I'll tell you to go and watch HTML semantics and containers. And that's one thing I want you to know, that everything we are doing this on this website today in this video is everything we've learned in the past, and that's our HTML semantics, everything we learned from HTML1 to 39. So first, for you to understand what we are doing here right now, you need to watch them. So guys, right now I'm going to do the containers. Let's go there quick. Okay, so first of all, the containers are going to be in the body, and then remember that for the first thing we have the header, the footer, the main, the section. That's what we're going to be using here. So I'm going to have the header, one two three. So next one is going to have the footer, so now you're going to have main. So Ctrl S. So first of all, here in this header I'm going to work for it, but before we move on, let's check what's on the outline. So after adding containers, so styling the body, yeah, so that means I'm going to make use of CSS in the next body. So first of all, we have header, which is we'll talk about who created the page and everything that's going to display on the website. We have the main, which is going to be talking about everything we want to talk about, and then the footer. So guys, first of all, let me create some few sections. So I'm just going to copy this comment for me to use. So here I'm going to add header of the website, so yeah, I'm just going to put footer of the website. So yeah, I'm gonna put profile photo. So in that section, I'm going to be having profile photo. Control C. I'm going to come back here to give it another one. Control V. So guys, right now, our indexing is work. So here we're going to have personal data. So yeah, we're going to have short biography of Mark Zuckerberg. Oh, graphy. Okay, so I think the next one I'm gonna have is Mark Zuckerberg short video. So you're gonna have short audio. Yeah, man. So I think we've sectioned it enough. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna have I think here there's another section you want us to do is for us to have after the short biography, we're gonna have Control C, then we are going to have so yeah, we're gonna have list of apps. So you're going to have list of favorites. So that's how our section is gonna be. So guys, I'm thinking of adding a section where we're gonna have gallery, because those photos I never planned to just put everything there. I just put some few photos. So let's just move out to the next one, and that is styling our body. This is this styling the body. So guys, let's move there. Okay, moving back to styling the body, we have to go to our CSS, and right now we're in our CSS. Okay, first of all, you just have to write the body. Oh, that's cap lock. Yeah, this is the body. So first of all, front family, we want Roboto to be our front family. If you don't understand this thing, I think you need to watch our HTML CSS tutorial. You need to watch our HTML CSS tutorial. So the next one is background color. Our background color should be black. Yeah, and then we want color to be white. So right now, the moment you refresh our page, our website is going to turn to black, but our color white is not going to show, because the color means that everything that is going to display should be white, but the background of everything should be black. So nothing is displaying on the website, you're just going to have the black. So let's refresh the page. Yeah, we have black right now. So I think right now we have to create a header. So let's go and create a header. Mark Zuckerberg portfolio. That's the header. So I'm going to make use of so on 26/12/2022. So okay, do you believe that everything we just written was outside the header tag, the header element? So just have to cut that off. Control X. S. So right now you can see Mark Zuckerberg portfolio hot top Vicsad Academy, date 26/12/2022. So the next one on our list is styling the header. So guys, we're gonna go back to our CSS file to style it. So we're gonna go back here to style it. So what we're gonna use to style is just a very simple CSS code. Just have to call our header. Yeah. And I'm just gonna give it color light sky blue. So we're gonna refresh the page. So this is how our website look like. On Mark Zuckerberg portfolio hot of Vicsad Academy, created 26/12/2022. That's unboxing day December 2022. Which is this year we are currently. Okay, so guys, back to the tutorial. We've started our head. Adding a profile photo. So we want to add the profile photo next. So I'm going to go back to my Visual Studio Code and then go back to my HTML file. I think we are through this right now. So I'm going to go back to the main and then we're going to add the portfolio profile photo here right now. Image src is equals to das. So I'm going to put alternative and then I'm going to write Mark Zuckerberg photo. So second one we're gonna do is we're gonna add title. So we're gonna write Mark Zuckerberg. We're just gonna copy that, the same thing. So if you don't understand the alternative and the title, I think you should watch out for the HTML image tag and you should watch out for the HTML text formatting. I think you're gonna have a better explanation of this there. Please just watch that out. Watch that video out. It's very interesting and very educative. So Ctrl S and then we've not put our HTML source, our image source. So our image source is that from this file right here. From this file right here. Yeah, from this file right here, you should move into gallery and then you should take image 1. Well, no, I know you should take image 2. Let's make use of image 2 right now. So we're gonna go back here and then write gallery and then you should take image 2. Simple. Ctrl S. So I'm gonna go back here to refresh our page and you can see the image really big and you can see Mark Zuckerberg in the image. So guys, we're gonna resize this image, and for us to do that, go back to our CSS and then img image tag. Height. Okay guys, let's give it 50%. Oh, the width should be 50%. No, let's make the width 8%. 50%. So Control S, and I'm gonna come back here to refresh the page. So I think this is good. Yeah, this is good right now. So that's Mazgabot profile photo for this website, and then when you mouse go over it, it's gonna show Mazgabot profile, Mazgabot photo. That's work of the title tag. You can see Mazgabot photo. It should. So guys, moving to the next one, which is adding a table, and the table is gonna contain some personal information of Mazgabot. So let's go there. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my HTML file, and then I'm gonna come back here to this personal data, start creating my table. So I'm just gonna copy this. So I'm gonna write last name there. So yeah, Elliot. Yeah, Mark middle name is Elliot, and then his last name is known as surname. So yeah, I'm just gonna write his last name, Zigabe. So you can see first name Mark, middle name Elliot, last name Zigabe. So we're gonna write his age. Date of birth. May 14. I'm not actually sure of the date of birth. I don't know I think 1968. So let me check that out. I'm just gonna pause the video right now. So I'm correct, May 14, 1984. So the next one should be his title. Yeah, Mazgabot title. So it's CEO of Meta platforms, do you know, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Onavo. Oh, Z. And then wife name. Priscilla Chan. Priscilla. Okay, I'm not really sure of the spelling them. Just please accept that for me, Chan. Oh, guys, Control S, and then I'm gonna come back here to refresh the page. So you can see that right now. So I think I'm good with that. So the next one on our next line is styling the table. So we're gonna go back to our CSS to make use of those tables. So let's do that quick. Okay, let's do that quick. I've just said it. I said let's do that quick. Okay. Okay, table. Just trying to think. Table. Yeah, so we're gonna give it border. Let's give it 5 pixels. Outset sky blue. If you don't understand this, then you have to watch the HTML CSS, because with HTML CSS I explained this. Yeah, so that's why I said you have to watch the full course. So the next one I'm gonna do is border collapse. Let's give it width. Okay, it should be 50% of the web page. Height. So guys, let's move to the H and the TD. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to name this TD. So guys, I think this is good. Yeah, this is good. So let's move to the next one. Writing a short biography. So this short biography, I'm just going to copy it from somewhere right now. So I just have to pause the video. So guys, I just copied the short biography and you can see it in the notepad. So guys, I'm just going to open my Visual Studio Code and then do it. And I said I'm going to pause the video, but I ended up stopping the video instead of pausing the video. So guys, let's just do that quick. I'll go back to my HTML file and then short biography. Yeah. Okay. Remember that in our HTML semantics, section must also have a heading. Yeah, just section element must have a heading. So guys, we forgot to give that the heading, so we're just gonna give it heading. So guys, Mark's short biography. Mark's short biography. So I'm just gonna clear this off. Remember that we did not give our table aspect section a. We don't give our table section a heading, so we just have to go back there to give it heading. So I'm just gonna come back to my notepad here and then copy everything here. So we're just gonna put break tag here. Ctrl C. So I'm just gonna check it out. Okay, so guys, first of all, let's go back and give that a heading and heading. Yeah, so I think that's good, right? Okay, so Mark's short biography, Mark's personal info. So yeah, we're gonna go back to do some break tags very well. Ctrl S and then come back to refresh the page. Okay, for this to be very good, let's just Ctrl Z, let's just copy it and add it to every one of them. Okay, I think that's good. Let's just leave it that way. Yeah, let's leave it that way. So what's next on our list is listing of apps created. So before we list of apps created, I think we gotta do two things. And the thing is gonna do is gonna add the horizontal line. After adding the horizontal line, just have to style the header of each of the following section, and then our header should make use of H2. Sorry. Oh, what is this, sir? Ctrl C, and then I'm just gonna go back there. I think that's good right now. So let's zoom this so that everyone can see our website and see how everything is moving. So let's give it back to 150. So I'm gonna put the HR tag next. I want to add my HR tag, so I'm just gonna add it by section by section. So I want to make you understand something, that the reason I'm not going to give header to that profile photo is because it's a profile photo, and then there's no need to give it header, but I can also give it an header. So I think let me give it, yeah. So I'm just going to give it H2 and then I know one funny fact is that if you check about Mark Zuckerberg Facebook account, you find out that is his profile photo, except if he has changed it. That's one fact. We are using the same profile photo. His details are correct. His short biography is correct. And we are just building a website that's talking about Mark Zuckerberg. So just Ctrl S, and then I want to copy this, Ctrl C, and I'm going to add it to every of the section. Ctrl S, and then come back here to refresh the page. So you can see this horizontal line, Mark's profile photo. Okay, short paragraph. So guys, the next one we're moving on to do is list of his app. He has done a lot of apps. He has bought some apps, done some apps like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Beluga, Honor View, Oculus VR, and then many more. So let's just do that quick. So right now I'm gonna make use of the ordered list, and if you don't know about it, then you need to watch the HTML list 1, 2, 3. In the 1 we're talking about ordered list, 2 talked about unordered list, and 3 we talked about I think description list stuff of a thing. So please go watch it out, and that's why I said I'm gonna put the full playlist link in the description section, and I think some other ones we talked about in this video in the description section. So guys, you need to watch out this full tutorial video tutorial course for you to understand everything about HTML, and I bet it is free. I'm gonna like it. It's very educative. So let's do this quick without wasting much of our time. So he did Facebook. So yeah, the Instagram. He owns Instagram. He bought WhatsApp too. I think he bought WhatsApp for 14 billion or something like that. Yeah. So I think That of Instagram was 1 billion, if I'm not getting it wrong. Okay, so WhatsApp, Oculus VR. That's virtual reality. That's what we call metaverse. Okay, so the next one is Honor View, and the last one is Beluga. So he knows all these things. So I'm just gonna come back here to refresh the page. So we have the list: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Oculus VR, Honor View, Beluga. So we're just gonna have to create, our section. Each section must have heading according to the HTML semantics and containers rule. So Ctrl C, come back here. Okay guys, sorry about that. Ctrl S, I'm gonna come back and refresh the page. So apps owned by Max Garber, H2. Yeah, so the next one I'll do is listing of favorites. So before I move on to the listing of favorites, I want to style the H2, so we're gonna have something beautiful. So guys, let's So guys, what happened was that I was just trying to find out the spelling of German Shepherd, and then I mistakenly pressed stop the video, so I had to delete the video. So the video is just gonna start from here right now for listing of Mark's favorites. So his favorite dog is German Shepherd. Yeah, so I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, so his favorite food is bread and beans. So I told you that these things are not real, so I don't know about his favorite food. I don't know his favorite dog, so I just created them in my head. Akara, Brenda and Akara, yeah. So his favorite brand, Dior. Favorite drink, Fourth Street. So I think, and favorite symbol, that's favorite symbol. So if you don't understand the meaning of that, and copy with a semicolon, and then you need to watch out the HTML symbols and entity, which is HTML symbols and entity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With that, we have full knowledge about the HTML symbols and entity, so please watch that out. Okay, so let's Ctrl S this and then watch out, refresh the page. So I have a list of Mark's favorite dog German Shepherd, favorite food Akara and bread, favorite brand Dior, favorite drink Fourth Street, favorite symbol, copy, right. So guys, I'm just gonna put the HR here. After that, I'm gonna make use of the bold tag, and if you don't know about the bold tag, then you need to watch out the HTML text formatting. Control S. Okay, I made a big mistake. It's gonna work, but that's why I want it. So Control X and then V V V V V. So I'm just gonna clear this off. Control S and then I'm gonna refresh the page. So you can see these are bold and these are not bold. So next thing we want us to do is for us to style our heading 2, that's H2. So I'm gonna stop the video right now and then start all over from the. So we want to style our H2, then all we have to do is to go back here and then okay, so let's give it light sky blue. Then gonna come back here to refresh the page. So I think this makes sense right now. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Our outline is adding a short video. The next one is styling the short video, adding a short audio. Very soon we'll soon be through with the tutorial. So guys, just watch out to the end. So adding a very short video. So guys, we already have a short video which I put here. So let me play the short video to you.
Schools that I thought would have the lowest chance of working, right? And so those were schools that already had some kind of school community. And the reason why I did that was because I wanted to know early on if this was something that that was just worth spending a lot of time on as a project. You know, in college, I just built a whole lot of different things, and that's just a passion of mine. Is
so
kind
of
kept
doing
building things very quickly.
So let's add a short video. So okay, I'm just gonna go back to this index.html, then go to the short video aspect and then create my header. So the videos from the business insider when they were interviewing Mark Zuckerberg and they were asking some few questions and was answering. So it's just a short video, a short clip out of that business insider video. You can also find a video on YouTube. Just search for Mark's short video, see it on YouTube. So okay, Mark's short video. Create your video tag. So if you don't understand how this is happening, then you have to watch out for our video HTML video element or video tag. And also you have to visit our website, that's Vicsad Academy website. Just search for Vicsad Academy on Google, you're gonna see our website and then have to read about the HTML video to understand. So okay, yeah, I'm just gonna write source. Let's see. I'm gonna put type. So yeah, I'm just gonna move to, okay, yeah, it's gonna be, you should move to video. So then we've added our video, so let's go check it out. So before move on, let's add our horizontal rule. So Control S and then refresh the page. So you can see Mark's short video, and that's it. So the next one on our list is styling the video, because the video is too big, so you just have to reduce it in style. And first to move it to reduce it in style, you have to make use of the CSS. So you're just gonna do that. So let's go start our video. So I'll go back to my css.css and then I'll come back here and write video. So width, so I want to have the width of the video to be 50% of the so okay, let's give it that. No, okay, let's give that percent. and then we're gonna come back here to refresh the page. I think this is good. So now it's not gonna work because according to coding, in which we made more explanation in them in the HTML video. You can watch out the HTML video on Vicsad YouTube channel. It has to have an attribute called controls. So I'm just gonna come back here and write controls. So I'm gonna come back and refresh the page, and with this you'll be able to control this video. So guys, let's take back our code. Controls, not to S. Control S, refresh the page. I think we can
schools that I thought would have the lowest chance of working. The reason why I did that, something that a passion of mine is
So
kind
you
of
kept doing
building.
So the next one I'll do is max short audio. So it's just the same thing. It's this video but in the form of audio, meaning you're not gonna hear you're not gonna see it, but you're gonna hear sound. So right now we just have to do that. Okay, for us to do this, we have to go to the next section and then create our heading and then bring in our audio. So we're just gonna come back here, max short audio, and the next one we have to do is to we have to bring in our audio tag and everything. And if you don't understand how this thing is being done, you have to watch out for our HTML audio element. It's very important for you to know how to do this. Source src type. This should be audio.mp3/mp3. okay, so here we're just gonna put audio and then put /mp3 Ctrl S. So we're still gonna have to style this audio because you can see it in our outline that's adding a short audio, styling the audio, and then the last one is gonna be very long, a little bit long. It's creating a HTML form, and with that we are through with our short simple portfolio website. So let's do this quick, check our audio and then go style it. So guys, our audio is not showing. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna check it out. So after pausing the video to check out what's going on, I think the problem with this is because we did not put the attribute known as controls attribute. So okay,
schools that I thought would have the lowest chance of working, right? And so those were schools that already had some kind of school community. And the reason why I did that.
Okay, so guys, we already the audio, so we want to start the audio. We just have to go back to our CSS and then call on our audio. We height. So yeah, we're just gonna give it height of 50. Let's just do the same thing, 50%, and then should be 30%. So Ctrl S, just gonna go back to our web browser and then refresh the page. Okay, so guys, our stuff is not showing. So what's the problem? What's the problem? So let's change this to pixels. So I'm just gonna come back here to refresh the page. You can see that short stuff showing there. So let's change 500 pixels, should be 300 pixels. Ctrl S, refresh the page. Wow, too big, bro. You can see it's too big. So the height is too big. Let's just give it 100 pixels. Yeah, this is what I want. So this is Markshot audio, and it's just 19 seconds. Should I say 19 seconds? Just like 19 seconds for the video. So the next one on our list is creating if HTML form, and the HTML form allows you to contact Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, let's go there. All we have to do is to copy this. So yeah, I'm just gonna write contact info, contact with form. So yeah, I'm just gonna write contact Mark. Okay, I think so contact Mark. So yeah, I'm just gonna clear this off. Oh, Ctrl Z. Yeah, I'm just gonna clear this off. Form. So first of all, I'm gonna create 3 feed sets. So if you don't understand this, please go watch out the HTML form. And this HTML form, I cannot actually say how many parts it is right now, but I use not only one. I think we have HTML form 1 2 3 4 5, or HTML form 1 2 3. So please just go watch that out. Yeah, so okay guys, so yeah, okay, so yeah, right now we have personal info. That should be the comment for there. So copy that. Here we have confidential. Okay, so guys, I just have to stop the video to be sure of my confidential spelling, so I just missed one. It's T. So confidential info. So I'm just gonna copy that. Yeah, copy this and then I'll paste it in the last feed set. This last feed set, I don't even know what to put there right now. So let's just leave it that way. So first of all, we have to create a legend. So I'll copy this. So first of all, I'll just copy this. Confidential info. So Ctrl S, and then we'll come back to refresh the page. Yeah, personal info, confidential info. Okay, so I'm just gonna make use of the break tag. Okay guys, personal info, confidential info, and then the last one we don't know what to do. So let's create our short very quick. So let's move on creating our personal info. So I'm going to go back here and then start creating my input field. Okay. Name. So do you understand everything that's going on? If you don't understand, please I advise you to watch the HTML form. I think it's just 1 2 3, or I think 1 to 5. So please read out to understand everything I'm doing right now. It's look as if I'm performing magic, but no, not performing magic. Okay, so first of all, I just want to write my name. You don't understand this, guys. This should be first name. So if you want to contact Mark Zuckerberg, you just have to fill in the form which says first name, and then no stuff like that now. This should be last name. This should be last name. Sorry, I made mistake. That should be middle name. So because you want to meet Mark Zuckerberg, you want to have contact with him, you have to fill in this form which says your first name, your middle name, your last name, your age, date of birth, and some confidential stuff that you need. Your age, date of birth. So Ctrl S, you're gonna come back here to refresh the page. Okay, so that's the first thing. So next thing we need is the break tag, and if you don't understand the break tag, then go watch our HTML paragraph. Then you see the full explanation of the break tag and the horizontal line tag, the paragraph tag, and many more. So you just have to watch out our full tutorial course video for you to understand. So first name, middle name, last name. Okay, I think what will happen is that let's take this up. Yeah, let's take this up. So guys, I'm coming right now. I just gotta pause the video. So guys, I just have to pause the video to get some things done. Okay, I'm gonna clear that off. Clear this off. Clear this off. So come back here to refresh the page. Okay, I think let's do the other way around. So just Ctrl Z. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. Okay. Guys, I just made a mistake. I put it in the confidential info fit set, so I just have to clear off everything there by me just copying this. Okay, I refresh the page, so I just have to clear this one off right now. So let's move on to the next one. We should be talking about some confidential info like your password, your credit card pin, and stuff marks needed for you to contact him. But I want you to know that this just, it's not real. It's just creating a website. No, so don't believe everything that's said here. Okay, let's go there. I'm just gonna copy this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Account name. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna do is copy this password. So you're gonna change the input type this time around to password, and if you understand all these things, I advise you to watch out the HTML form on our YouTube channel as Vicsad Academy. So this is gonna be password. Ctrl S. Okay, so the next one is oh guys, sorry about that. Next one is email. So I was thinking of putting credit card pin form there, but no. I'm not gonna put that there. I'm not gonna put that kind of form there. So okay. So what else do you have to put here? Okay, that's Ctrl S. Okay, so that's it. And next one I wanna do is schedule info. Schedule. So this schedule here. Okay, you just have to come back here to copy. So you just have to put another one here, which says your tel number. So let's just leave that way. So guys, you might not understand everything I'll be doing to look like a magic, but you just have to watch out our video to understand everything of this thing. Okay, so input type, mail, name, email, value, blah blah blah. So you just want to have section. So we're gonna choose input type. So my name is gonna be session. I'm gonna give it value of morning session. So I'm just gonna clear this one off here. Control S, and then I'm gonna come back here, afternoon session. So session, and I'm giving it the value. I'm just gonna copy this here. Oh, my stomach is rumbling in Bronx. Okay, so Control S and then come back here. So it's crying the value of morning section, value of afternoon section, but it could not show because it does not, we know, not put it in the right place to be displayed. So it's crying the value and also displaying the value is crying. So guys, right now I'm gonna create another input type to choose date and time, stuff, everything. So I'm gonna give this one of time. So guys, just bear with me. So guys, this is like you want to schedule a time for Mark Zuckerberg when you want to meet him. So after filling your personal information that he knows about you, your confidential information, then what do you want to meet him? I want to meet him in the afternoon section at what time and at what date. So Control S, and then I'm gonna come back here to refresh the page. Okay, so we have to make use of our break tag. So Control S, and then I'll come back here to refresh the page. So I think we are good with that. Yeah, we're good with that. So right now, the last but not least for us to do is the address section of this page, which we want to add our address, and it's very interesting to do. So let's go there, and with that we create our portfolio website. I'm very happy I'm finishing this HTML course. I'm very happy. Okay, let's go there, and that's gonna be in our footer. So just write address. Okay, location 38 Odu Alabe Street. Oh no, that's not the better street to give him. Let's give him a better street, a street near me. Yeah, Below Street, Edinburgh. So Edinburgh is not in where I'm living. Edinburgh is around England, that's in UK, around London. So Edinburgh, UK. After that, I'm just gonna give you phone number. So we're gonna put Vicsad Academy phone number here, plus 234 8062225771. So you call that number, you call it Vicsad Academy. So email, that's Mark Zuckerberg. I don't know his email, so I just found this email at gmail.com. markzuckerberg@gmail.com. So what else do we need to know about him? His email is okay. So social media platforms. I'm not gonna put that. So let's just leave it this way, and then I'm gonna bring in the bold tag. Okay, so with that, we are treat our portfolio website. It's working perfectly. So guys, I think with that you're true. So the last one I think we should just have to eat is just for us to add some stuff to this form by putting action. So the action means that when they submit the form, where should you take them to index.html, and then we should put a method, should be post, and then you have to create another submit button here. Hey. Okay, submit name is equals to submit and value is equals to submit. Yeah man, so with that we are through our portfolio website, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's a very great tutorial. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, follow us on our social media platforms, connect to us on social media platforms like liking our Facebook page, join our Facebook group, join our Telegram channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, following us on Instagram, LinkedIn and Vicsad. God bless you all. God is still the greatest. Don't forget, this is just creating a portfolio website by Vicsad Academy. Thank you very much. Bye.